Hi there, this is Ms. Heather from the Counseling Office with a quick webinar to help you upload student documents to your Maya Drive in Maya Learning. After logging on to your account in Maya Learning, navigate to your student dashboard and then down on the left-hand side to your Maya Drive. Then over here you have a My Files area where you can upload files of your own, as well as a whole slew of files that have been shared with you from counselors. But today, if you'd like to upload files to be shared with counselors, here is how you do it. Over here on the right-hand side, please click the blue New button and you would like to upload a file, so choose that. You can see here there's a window where you can browse to a file or actually just drag and drop, which is really helpful. It pre-populates the name. You can leave the description, the tags, and the folder blank, but this is the most important part, the visibility. This is Maya's version of sharing. Please click the button called Configure. Then you can see here that you would like to share this document or make it visible to your parents or to the counselors. So please click Visible to Selected Staff, and then click both Mr. Lally and Miss Heather. And then click down here, Save button. So you can see the document, there is the name, and the most important part is this visibility component, and then click the Save button. This will then upload the document that you chose to Maya Drive and then make it shared with the counselors that you indicated. For documents that had been shared with you, for your download, it can be found in the Shared With Me area, and you can see all the resources of University Counseling have been uploaded there over the course of the semester. Most of these folders are shared with the entire cohort. If any particular documents that have been shared with you specifically will also be found here. Remember, this doesn't operate exactly like Google Drive. You can see documents here. Instead of clicking on them, you need to navigate to the right-hand side under the action column, the dot, dot, dot. Click that and you get a chance to download that document. So you can't kind of click on the name, but download instead and then activate it. Everything is a PDF, so it's not editable. And that's how you can access documents that have been shared with you. Great. Thanks so much for listening. Happy uploading.